Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to get Safari app back on iPhone. In case Safari is missing from your iPhone, then you might be looking to reinstall it. Safari is not showing up because you mistakenly remove it from your home screen. Go to the app library page, select the utility folder, look at the Safari browser application. Hold down a blank spot on the screen. Drag the Safari app from the app library folder to your home screen. After moving the app, click Done in the top right corner. Thanks for watching.